sleep, yeah. I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by.
So we're in Taiwan today and going to the room. I've already been in there. So you open like you normally would, insert the keys and the lights will come on. To the left, and there's a switch to get the lights on. You go in, there's a change in the level, so you're supposed to be changing your shoe, but it's just a toilet. And once we're finished with this tour, I'm gonna tell you guys something about that right there. Okay, so from there, that's to the left. To the right, more of this wonderful paneling, and there's a door. Again, a change in level, but we're going to go ahead and step in. So here is the tub, a really nice big tub that you could soak in. But what I didn't see initially was that there was also a shower. So this is the shower, but the cool thing that I like about this room the most, and I love shower heads like these, oh my god, it gives me life, is this. So while you're taking a shower, you can be seen from the bedroom. I really like this bathroom. And then it's just your basic sink to wash your hands, and you have your little goodies, your oils and all that, shampoo, body lotion, and that's me. And you have your TV right here. You have your mini bar over here. And you have your couch. This is a camera bag. The couch, and then this is the view from the room. So it's a rainy day in Kaoshiung today. You have your standard telephone. Alright guys, and this is the bed. Look how huge that thing is. So for those of y'all who keep up with my videos, you guys have seen the apartment tour. So you already know how I'm feeling tonight. So guys, I am super duper excited to go to sleep. But you know what's strange actually is it normally takes like 2 to 3 days, and then I'm like, nah, I miss my floor. So that's crazy. But the first couple of days I'm just like, oh my god, yes, I'm living the life. Oh, also guys, another strange thing that happened today. So you remember I told y'all that I will tell you all later about that that bucket. So when we were checking in, the lady said, do not put toilet paper in the toilet. Don't flush toilet paper. And I was like, okay. Then like my brain clicked and I was like, I'm sorry, don't put toilet paper in the toilet. She was like, yes, don't put toilet paper in the toilet. And I'm just like, but what about my poop? And she was like, huh? And I was like, my poop, when I poop, what am I supposed to do with the toilet paper? And she's like, oh, just go ahead and put it in the bucket, in the little can thing. I guess it would be a trash can. And I was like, but the smell. Guys, I'm hoping we did not have a communication. I am hoping we did not have a communication barrier. Because tomorrow, housekeeping, if it is that I poop, is going to be having a rude awakening. Because, but honestly, I don't think I have the heart to do that. But that was just super weird. But we're going to go downstairs, and I'll probably take y'all along. We'll be staying in because it's storming. There's a thunderstorm. Let me see if it's focused. Can you see? Alright guys, it's still day one. We are 4 hours in Kaoshiung. I cannot pronounce it for the life of me. Now you saw the pictures of the food, and here we are. That's where we're at. I was surprised. I thought the food was going to be cold. We literally just walked, and what we did was we just found the vendor that had the most people there, and we just got in line didn't speak English. Luckily, some girl came and she kind of helped us. And we got some food, and now we're back, and it's bomb. It's bomb. It's just literally chicken and rice. So, cabbage. Got some cabbage, and then we have eggs with carrots. That was a little bit different, but it's actually very tasty. And then onions and eggs, just like onions cut up with eggs. And this was like a chili sweet sauce, and but all in all, it's good, and most importantly, it's hot. I hate cold food. Yeah, so far so good. Alright, I'm gonna get back to this food. Alright guys, as you can tell from this position that I am done. I'm full. Okay guys, so one of the cool things about this hotel is they do have a free mini bar, and they also have happy hour every day, and it's all you can eat, all you can drink.
I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side.